I've got a simple one for you again. Fold your material into two and pleat down like this. Have an elastic band to replace your hand. Place on your head after stretching out the two parts. Go to the back and cross the hand. Twist both parts of the material and secure the front one into the band like this and pull out the excess. You go to the back and repeat the same process by twisting and securing it inside the band that we used earlier. So after that, you come to the front and direct this angle down using a pin to secure down. Once this part is secure with a pin, now you come to the front and stretch out the excess, take it round like a rose and secure as well. Wrap another pin and match the two together. At the back, if you want it covered, you can pull the fabric to meet each other and secure. Now you have the front to be like this, or you can direct the other angle down to meet the other part, securing down with another pin. And lastly, adjust all adjustables and you're good to go.